The first user trial of the nuke-capable Intercontinental Range Ballistic Missile, ICBM, Agni-5 is poised to take place in India, signaling its early admission into the armed forces. The Strategic Forces Command of the Indian Army has begun extensive preparations for the mission off the coast of Odisha. The 5,000 km range missile is expected to be flight tested on September 23, according to a schedule obtained by TNIE. Originally scheduled for induction in 2020 following a hat-trick of pre-induction trials in 2018, the procedure was apparently pushed back due to the COVID-19 epidemic, which disrupted certain key tests of the missile's many independently targetable re-entry vehicles, MER. The mission was timed to coincide with the successful test of the Agni Prime missile, the first of the new Agni series of missiles created by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. On June 28, the three-stage solid-fueled weapon was launched with several independently targetable re-entry warheads with sophisticated guidance and next-generation propulsion. According to defense sources, the upcoming Agni-5 missile trial is significant because it could be equipped with the MIRV, which can carry multiple warheads. Although the missile's MIRV capability was discreetly tested during a multi-satellite launch, no live launch has yet taken place. The indigenous MIRV technology was successfully tested in the Agni-P missile for the first time, with the weapon delivering two maneuverable warheads at two separate places. According to the sources, Agni MIRV-5's capability will provide India with much-needed deterrence. Australia will track India's Gaganyaan mission through Cocos-Keeling Island, according to Deputy Head of Australia Space Agency Anthony Murphet. Murphet, speaking at the Confederation of Indian Industries (CII) International Space Conference, said that space cooperation between the two countries is improving, and that the space agencies of India and Australia recently amended their Memorandum of Understanding. "We'll be assisting the Gaganyaan operation by monitoring via Australian territory on the Cocos-Keeling Islands," he stated. ISRO Chairman K. Sivan stated earlier this year that the space agency is in talks with its Australian counterpart about establishing a ground station for the Gaganyaan mission on the Cocos-Keeling Islands. If a satellite in orbit does not have a clear view of the ground station on Earth, it will be unable to transmit data to it. A data relay satellite is used to convey information from the satellite. According to insiders, there are blind zones that could prevent signals from being received. The data relay satellite tracking from Cocos-Keeling is likely to aid in the resolution of the problem. Gaganyaan is India's ambitious human space mission, which aims to send 3 Indians into lower Earth orbit. The preliminary design for the 5th-generation Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, has also been completed and the configuration has been frozen. While the Tejas Mk2 is classified as 4.5 generation, India's AMCA fighter jet program is classified as 5th generation. "The detailed design is complete," stated Girish S. Deodhare, ATIS program director, fighting aircraft. "In fact, we're in the midst of a major design review and metal cutting should begin soon." The aircraft, Mk2, will be delivered next year, with the first flight scheduled for early 2023. "We're on track to meet these objectives." The Tejas is equipped with a tailless compound delta wing layout that provides excellent maneuverability. It is slated to join the Indian Air Force in 2026, with a larger GE-414 engine. Aluminum, lithium and titanium alloys, carbon composites, and other lightweight materials are used to create the high-agility supersonic fighter aircraft. The Tejas Mk2 is a 4.5 generation aircraft that boasts increased range and endurance. It has canards and is 1,350 mm longer than the Tejas. It can carry a payload of 6,500 kg versus 3,500 kg for the Tejas. According to reports, the plane will also have a multi-sensor data fusion system with an active